And then he just like spilled his hot tea like all over his body.
Oh.
It was so messed up. I can't go back on the street anymore.
I don't know. Isn't that where you live?
Yeah.
So, it's Richard's grandfather who, like. Anyways, so he gets like another one when he turns 35, and another when he turns 40. And he kind of gets to pick whatever he wants to do with that.
That's cool. I haven't like read any books, but I have written one.
Oh, okay. What's it about?
It's called Journey on the Big Old River.
On the big old river. Which river?
The big one.
Okay. What, are you crazy? Are you gonna take something?
Yeah, how often do you come across an opportunity like this?
What if someone's watching?
I mean, it's just one bag of chips. I don't think it's that big of a deal.
What if this is like a test? Like someone's sitting behind a bunch of monitors watching us, and we're gonna end up being test subjects in some science journal.
Someone was probably just like refilling the machine and then forgot to close the panel. Like, it's our lucky day. Come on. When is the last time this has ever happened to you?
Okay, I don't know, but I don't like this. Like, think about it. When's the last time you've ever seen something like this happen? It never happens. Like, this cannot be a mistake. Frito-Lay is testing our willpower and character.
That's ridiculous. Why would anybody spy on us? That's like way too hard.
We are the target audience. We are college students who use the vending machines like all the time. With the results of a study like this, like businesses can change their practices for the years to come. We could be at the center of a groundbreaking psychological study.
Nice free chips.
Okay, go, go, go!